I've just arrived at Palmeiras and I'm preparing it for viewing. Why won't you help me and I'll show you my favorite bits. Alright, now that we're here, let's get the specs out of the way. 5 ensuite bedrooms with an office, underfloor heating, ducted air conditioning, full domotic control 4 with a large 25-meter pool. And let's go over what the specs don't show you. The whole villa has a warm, cozy and welcoming feel, and the attention to detail is amazing. For example, the developer went out of his way and purchased an 180-year-old antique marble fireplace. Another thing that I think was really well thought out is the lighting of the property. Jutta, the architect, found these half built-in standing lamps which you see throughout the property, and it gives it so much character. Also throughout you see very little spotlights, it's all wall lights, hanging lamps. It just helps create a very warm and welcoming feel. Alright, and in the kitchen, something which I think is really cool. The backsplash tiles, they were done by the son of the builder. He has just restarted his company to focus on traditional Portuguese handmade tiles, and they've used them here. They're thick, typical Algarvian tiles. To add to that, you have the winery just next to the kitchen, and they've been able to clad it with old Portuguese wine boxes. On the ground floor, there's 2 bedrooms, 1 on each wing. Both have spectacular outlooks. This one is one of my favorites because your outlook to the Mediterranean garden. Orchard, the herbs, love it. Moving upstairs, look at these chandeliers. Handmade in Morocco, together designed with Jutta, the architect. They've done a number of pieces, one of them being this lovely painting with the built-in lights, and a similar idea is in a cinema. Both bedrooms, big double doors, this gives you that really cool, elegant feeling. And within the ensuite, this cool Victorian-inspired bathtub I think is great. And in the walk-in shower, they've got the tile all the way to the ceiling. All right, come on, let's go see what the basement is hiding. In the gym, you've got these really cool weights where you can get to choose the weight you need. Okay, we'll cut this one out. And if you're anything like me, I love a sauna. As you come in, it feels like a professional spa. Sauna, the Turkish bar. And then we've got the cinema room, which has probably the most comfortable sofas I've ever seen. Again, Jutta went out of her way and designed these, and I don't know how she did it, but last time I spent about 20 minutes with a family just enjoying the comfortableness. I love an outdoor kitchen. Me personally, I'm a gas man. 5 minutes to turn on, 10 minutes to clean, and you're done. None of that cold crap. 25-meter saltwater pool I think is also really special. It's a unique size you don't see a lot here. With the exterior and architecture, I feel like there's a lot of Moroccan influences. I love the arches, I think they give it such character. It's just such a lovely place to spend time with the family, cook. I'm jealous of the new owner. All right, my buyers are coming, you guys got to leave. If you have anyone that wants to look at it, reference is 4241. Thanks for helping.